Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bar. How are you?
I'm great, Chris. How you doing?
Great, good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too. Yeah, I'm looking for something simple today. You know, light, refreshing.
Okay.
You know, just easy. I don't want to think about it. I don't want to think about it. Just something easy, something light.
I got you. Great classic cocktail. Let's go Vodka Rickey.
Vodka Rickey.
Vodka Rickey, yeah.
Is that like a Gin Rickey?
It is identical. It's vodka instead of gin.
Oh.
So the Rickey drinks have been around since the 1890s, and they used gin originally. They used a half a lime, squeezed, dropped, and Rickey. Now we're doing the Vodka Rickey.
They just dropped it right in there, huh?
Yeah. Same drink. You want vodka? Came a long way. Let's make you the Vodka Rickey.
Well, that sounds perfect.
Great. We're gonna use the vodka you requested. We're gonna do 2 whole ounces of vodka in your cocktail shaker there. We're gonna do a half ounce fresh lime juice. And then a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, which is just sugar and water. Now add ice. Give it a nice shake.
So who do you think this Rickey guy is?
Yeah, I'm not really sure. No one really knew. I guess it's a pretty Rickey.
Pretty Rickey?
If I would guess, he was pretty. It's a pretty cocktail. Now we're going to add ice to your highball glass. Take a Hawthorne strainer. We're just going to strain it over the ice. Looks refreshing already.
Oh yeah.
And then we're going to top off with soda water. And then we're going to give it a nice lime wheel. And there you go.
That's it, huh?
That is it. Vodka Rickey.
Easy.
Easy, simple, refreshing.
Let's give it
a
shot.
shot. See what you think.
Oh,
Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers. Well, what do you think?
That's perfect.
Just what we had in mind.
Yeah, it's like a vodka limeade.
It looks like that too. Exactly.
It tastes like it. And
Great.
It tastes delicious.
Great.
Very refreshing. Thanks, Chris.
You're very welcome. Glad you enjoy it. If you like this cocktail, make sure you like the Blue Collar Bar. Subscribe for many more cocktails. And you can find me on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender.
Yeah, I'll check out the Instagram.
I hope so.
All right.
Well, thanks a lot for stopping in today.
Yeah, bye,
See you
Chris.
soon.
Thanks.
Bye.